know you're flipped, yeah?
Is it not a flipped one?
It can be. How fast do you want to get there?
I'm chilling. Holy sh! Oh my days! Crowd control. Ladies, ladies.
Who was the one popping the 90 degrees? Is that you?
Yeah.
Bro, you're mad.
Hard work, mate. Don't want to hit that one. Oh my god, I thought that was. Oh, come on! Everywhere. What is that dip?
The Ferrari, yeah. I was like, how are these guys fitting through this?
Yes guys, welcome to a new video. I'm just going to do a quick disclaimer because we're on the way to the Empire meet and you guys know our last video went. YouTube didn't like it, so any stunts you see are performed by trained professionals. The location that we're going to go to is it's an organized event, so you've got marshals at each place keeping control of the crowds, making sure everyone's safe, and that's about it guys. Don't replicate what you see on video at home. Let's go. Right then, let's see if we can get there because every road, if you saw last video, every road's shot in Central right now. We have no idea what's going on. It was like Gay Pride Day today, so we don't know if it's to do with that, but it's crazy. There's so much police everywhere. All the roads are shot. It's a road, guys. Red light, red light, red light, red. Yeah, we gotta find our way through this maze. I'm gonna get a little bit of entertainment for the viewers. Shh, bad move. Is there red lights? I can't go in that. What's going on with these billabongs right here? You can't even go past that, can you? Oh, that's long. What is this? I might be able to get my squeeze on, you know. Huh? Automatic? I'm all the way down here, mate. I think I went the right way this time. Oh, I better not go like the wrong way. You know what I mean? As in like... You know what I mean? Giving it a squeeze. Give it a young squeeze. I'm gonna chill here, I'll let you catch up. Oh, that's the bus lane, isn't it? Nearly went in it. I think I'm allowed on the right side of the road though, ain't I? Oh, f this. I'll flip my... Oh, I'm not dealing with this. There's no police down here, is there? Where are you? Right here. Or next right. No, I've gone further. These ain't bus lanes, are they? Oh, I love that, like that noise when it's like calming back down, you know, when the revs are coming back down, and it's like. I'm gonna get right here. Look. Oh, bicycles go first. Oh shit! Now we get. Oh my god! This guy needs. Oh my days! He needs stabilizers, mate. Now, see him. Yeah, what the fuck is this about? Yeah, they've swapped that. They do that, don't they? They just swap shit out of nowhere. Like, actually, from today, we're not going to tell anyone, but you can no longer do this. Go down this road, or bikes in that lane, or what? Boom. Field day. Oh. It's hard work, mate. Nightmare. Even on this. Mate, we've been going round in a circle. Go one way, that's shut. Go that way, shut. Every single way is closed off. Everywhere, mate. Nightmare. Yeah. Oi, oi. I forgot to say bye to my new friend back there. No speed cameras, no? Holy sh**! Look at London! I can't hear you, by the way. Oh, you're just not speaking. Oh, that place looks banging in there. We're going left. Left, left, left. It's like the police drivers, isn't it? Straight down the middle, mate. You're getting through that. Oh, I'll get through that. Yeah, as long as the bus don't move. Oh, he started moving. Oh my days. That was a squeezy one. Nah, I squeezed him. It's nice because I have no idea what to expect anytime I do something like this. So it's all completely fresh for me. Oh, that's police right there. Oh no, it's not security. I don't know, it sounds like it might be over that way. You taking me to a romantic getaway down here. Oh my god! Huh? They're gone? 10 minutes. How did we not see them? Yo, where are you? Nah, they've moved. Do you want to meet us and then go there, or are you just gonna head there? They're saying 29 minutes, so it's like 15 minutes. Alright, yeah, cool. Leave in 15 then. Nice one, lads. In a bit. These are sick. It's left, apparently. This is scenic. Look at this. What bridge is this? Albert Bridge. I don't think I've been across the Albert Bridge before. I like bridges. And London knows to make some good bridges. We're meeting these lot at Piccadilly and going to the other spot. I reckon a bus driver would be good at filtering on a motorcycle. They got to squeeze them big buses. Yeah, man, they got to squeeze that through like, well, they're not small gaps, but for a bus, they're very small gaps. Yeah. Them ones wouldn't be good at filtering. Police on the left, they're about to pop on the mains. Yeah, straight and like, yeah, straight and left. The left side. Oh, you're getting squeezy. Oh, you are getting squeezy. Oh, glided straight over his wing wheel. Oh, this guy's got "send it" written on the back of his car. He must be going to the meet. Oh, I don't know about going through that. I've not squeezed that one. Oh, we're here anyway. Which way is that coming from? Because it sounds like it's about to run me over. Oh, okay. Another day in Piccadilly. Which way did you go? Did you go to the right or did you go to the left? You went left. Where you going? You trying to go in front? Go on, mate. Oh, you went straight. Yeah, you went between them. Oh yeah, I can see you. I can see you. Yeah, just parking, yeah. Cheers. Fucking hell. I feel so important. Straight over the cone, straight over the banana. What, on the curb up here? He said Sudbury Avenue. Ready? Is he doing a U-turn? Yeah, it's clean. Look, we got a little personal assistance and that. Look, crowd control. Ladies, ladies. Cheers, mate. Looks comfy. Yeah, that grey is nice. Custom. Nardo gay colour scheme. It's pretty sick. Yo, can you hear me? Oh shit, we've lost comms, guys. We lost comms. This tyre's looking flat. This tyre's actually looking wonky. Oh, no, can't go that way. Don't want to hit that one. Oh, don't want to hit that one. God, that was techie. Mate, that's so techie. I nearly lost it on the last one. Pressure's on, boys. We're gonna get squeezy. Feel to call this one a squeezy one in central London. Oh. My toes nearly went off that one. I had to put my foot down. What is going on right now? Oh, hold on. What is going on right now? What? Wait, I thought I was tripping out thinking, hold on. We're on the right side of the road right now. Look at all the flipping tents right there as well. Yeah, he thinks he's doing it all right as well. Mate, he's thinking, what are you not doing on the wrong side of the road? What a nutter. Are we close? Close. 6 minutes. Oh, you can hear me on comms. Oh yeah. That's bugging out. That bus driver's getting about 100 tickets right now. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, otherwise I ain't getting home until flipping 3 AM. Still might get halfway home. Not even halfway home, just get on whatever motorway it is. And every time they decide they're gonna shut the roads. I don't know. Oh, he's going right. It's a Hornet. Mate, he must be. He's behind. Is it left? Left. Tu é brasileiro? Huh? Brazilian? Are you Brazilian? No. No, you're not. Ah. They love this bike out there. Yeah, yeah. Is this a wheelie road or what? I'm gonna lift it. Oh my god, I thought that was police. Yo! Where are we going? Ooh! Mate, he cut that corner.
I don't know how you guys are squeezing. There was a Ferrari. I was like, how are these guys fitting through this shit? You have to move these fucking handlebars out of the way of the mirrors, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, he's with the Hornet? Oh, okay. Yo, man.
Yo, who was the one popping the 90 degrees? Is that you?
Yeah.
Bro, you're mad. Oh, no, what? The fucking
Africa Twin.
bro.
Yeah.
It's such a leng bike.
Yeah.
Honestly, bro, that shit looks crazy. Wow.
It's tough though, because you can't see nothing. So...
Hit him at one point.
Yeah, I nearly joined him on the back of the bike.
Just to let you know, you're flipped, yeah?
Is it not a flipped one?
It can be. How fast do you want to get there?
I'm chilling. I don't know the way. Which way is it? Oh, you're there! He is absolutely flying at the speed limit, guys. Oh, shit. We gotta spin around. Oh my days! What? Yeah, no. Oh, come on! What is that, Tim?
This motherfucker.